Infinity Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my Infinity Wallet Full Review. Links to the product and additional resources are available in the description below. Infinity Wallet is an all-in-one, non-custodial wallet designed to provide a seamless and secure experience for crypto users managing multiple assets. With its intuitive interface, multi-chain support, and diverse feature set, it aims to cater to both beginners and advanced users in the cryptocurrency space. Infinity Wallet supports a wide range of digital assets, including cryptocurrencies and tokens across multiple blockchains. One of its standout features is its integrated portfolio manager, which allows users to monitor and analyze their holdings in real time. The wallet also supports in-app swaps, enabling quick and easy token exchanges without leaving the platform. Additionally, it provides fiat on-ramp solutions, allowing users to buy crypto directly using traditional payment methods, making it a versatile option for users at all levels. Security is a top priority for Infinity Wallet, with users retaining full control over their private keys and funds. The wallet is equipped with biometric authentication, encryption, and backup recovery options to ensure the safety of assets. It also includes a DApp browser for accessing decentralized applications and DeFi platforms, expanding its utility for those exploring blockchain-based services. Another highlight is its focus on user experience, with a sleek, customizable interface designed to simplify crypto management. However, Infinity Wallet does have some limitations. Its support for specific blockchains or tokens may not be as extensive as other wallets, which could be a drawback for users with highly diverse portfolios. Additionally, while its interface is user-friendly, the breadth of features might still overwhelm newcomers to the crypto space. Lastly, being a relatively newer wallet, its ecosystem and community resources are not as established compared to more prominent competitors. In conclusion, Infinity Wallet is an excellent choice for users seeking a versatile, secure, and user-friendly solution for managing their crypto assets. It's particularly suited for those who value an integrated experience with features like swaps, portfolio tracking, and DApp access. While it may lack the extensive support and reputation of older wallets, its all-in-one approach makes it a strong contender in the non-custodial wallet market.